I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Thursday, September 25th. Soybeans, corn, and wheat are all up modestly, seeing another round of short covering and technical support. Also supportive is the news that Argentina's export tax suspension is over. That suspension was expected to run through the end of October, or the sale of $7 billion worth of ag goods. And that sale of $7 billion worth of ag goods came up a lot quicker than the end of October, reached just over the past few days. That included a lot of soybeans headed to China. Now that suspension's over, that should be at least a little bit of a help for U.S. grain and oilseed export sales. Soybeans and corn are also watching U.S. harvest activity and planting conditions in South America. Chicago and Kansas City wheat are watching winter wheat planting here in the States. Live and feeder cattle are lower. Box beef was down sharply yesterday, and the trade's waiting for this week's direct cash cattle business to get established. Asking prices this morning should start out again around $242 to $244 on the live basis. A lot of questions about demand around these price levels at this point. Also, there's some concerns that we're going to see another round of losses like we did last week at the major direct markets. And hogs are mixed, mostly lower. Pork did close lower yesterday, and while contracts are at a discount to the cash index, there are a lot of concerns about sustained demand there. Pork export sales were larger than average, but China did not buy any U.S. pork last week. With the opening market minute for Thursday, September 25th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.